Who wants to try creating an Azure function and starting it on the local machine? In this video, I will show you the series of steps to define and then run such an Azure function. Before we start, make sure you have the following prerequisites installed: .NET Core 3.1 or later and Azure Functions Core Tools. You can use npm to install the core tools. Just wait for this command to complete. I have already installed core tools on this machine, so we can proceed. Azure Functions is a serverless compute service that enables you to run code on demand without having to worry about infrastructure. We will now use Azure Core Tools CLI to create a simple Azure function that will be triggered by an HTTP request. Run the following command. This command will create a new Azure Functions project using .NET Core in this folder. You can specify a folder in place of the dot. Now we wish to create a new function from the template called HTTP trigger. Run this command in the folder you used in the previous command. This will create a new HTTP triggered Azure function in a file called sayhello.cs. I will restore packages for the project, and then we will see the code. Open the code in your preferred code editor. Let's stop for a minute to investigate the function that was generated from the template. Azure Functions have full support for dependency injection we have already been accustomed to in any web project. This code shows you how you can receive the data either from the query string or from the request body. Finally, it shows how you can format and return the HTTP response. We are ready to run this demo function. To run the function locally, navigate back to the directory where you created the file and run the following command. This command will start the Azure Functions runtime locally and allow you to test your function by sending an HTTP request to the address displayed here. Congratulations! You have successfully created an Azure function in C# and run it on your local machine using the Azure Functions Core Tools CLI. The output is telling that the function has been executed successfully. It is also inviting us to pass a name in the query string. In fact, I will do that. Here I am typing the name field into the query string. And when I access the function again, its output will change to include the greeting to the name I have specified. Now you can deploy your function to Azure using your preferred deployment method. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one.